Monsoon rains continue to fall throughout Burma's eastern borderlands. Across the country, 25,000 people have been evacuated to makeshift camps. Here in the town of Bilin in the Mon state, 3,000 residents have been relocated. Thousands of acres of farmland surrounding the nearby villages remain submerged as residents pass the time in relief centers. Authorities in the Mon state said the highway to Rangoon reopened on Tuesday as water levels slowly began to recede. Heavy rains have also caused extensive damage in the neighboring Karen state, where 7,000 residents were evacuated to higher ground. The monsoon rainfall has brought the million-dollar trade on the Thai-Burma border to a standstill. Relief efforts on both sides of the border have commenced in order to clear away the debris brought on by the flooding, but authorities said water levels remain high in outlying areas.